आज ही डाउटनेट ऐप डाउनलोड करें। डाउटनेट पर होगा अब आपके सभी मैथ्स, केमिस्ट्री, फिजिक्स और बायोलॉजी डाउट्स का सफाया। बस अपने क्वेश्चन की फोटो खींचो, उसे क्रॉप करो और तुरंत वीडियो सोल्यूशन पाओ। डाउनलोड नाउ।
In this question, we are given that if x, y, and z are not all 0 and connected by the equations this, this, and this, then we need to show that lambda is equals to minus determinant of this divided by determinant of this. Now, notice one thing that the constant part of all these three equations are 0. But x, y, z are not all 0. What does it say? Now, x is equals to del x by del. Similarly, y is equals to del y by del and z equals to del z by z. So they are not all 0, which is only possible when del is equals to 0. Since the constant part is equals to 0, this implies that del x will be equals to del y will be equals to del z. This will be equals to 0. So only if del is equals to 0, then only in that case we will have a solution. Otherwise, if del is not equals to 0, we will not have any solution. So this line, if x, y and z are not all 0, implies that our del must be equals to 0. So let us determine the value of del. The value of del will be firstly the coefficients of x in all these three equations. They are a1, here we have a2, and here we have p1 plus lambda q1. p1 plus lambda q1. Now the coefficients of y, that is b1, here we have b2, and here we have p2 plus lambda q2. p2 plus lambda q2. Here we have now the coefficients of z, that is c1, here we have c2, and here we have p3 plus lambda q3. So this is the value of our del. We can write this as equals to a1 b1 c1 a2 b2 c2 p1 p2 p3 plus a1 b1 c1 a2 b2 c2, and here we will have lambda q1, lambda q2, and lambda q3. We can take out lambda common, so this will give us q1, q2, and q3. And since we have taken out lambda common, so let us write it here. So let us denote this determinant as, let's say, x plus lambda into this determinant as y. Now we just now wrote that this del is equals to 0. So this will imply that lambda into y equals to minus x. That is, we can say that lambda will be equals to minus x divided by y. Now what is the value of x? I will write it down. Divided by y, and y is this. So I will write down the value of y, and this is what we needed to prove.
क्लास 6 से 12 से लेके नीट, IIT JEE मेंस और एडवांस के लेवल तक 10 मिलियन से ज्यादा स्टूडेंट्स का भरोसा। आज ही डाउनलोड करें डाउटनेट ऐप या व्हाट्सएप कीजिए अपने डाउट्स 8400 400 400 पर।